Yes, Pari, you can ask beta what you want to ask. Raising your hand.
ज्योग्राफी में जो डिफरेंशिएशन वाले क्वेश्चन आए थे उसमें
Yes.
पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं.
Sorry, I'm not getting actually what you are asking, beta. You can write in the chat box also. Chat box में लिख सकते हैं आप.
सिंपल कर रखा है.
Okay. So fine. Everyone will turn on their cameras during the class, and just turn off your mics. Do turn on your cameras.
क्वेश्चन कितने पॉइंट्स हैं?
Today we'll start with the first chapter of civics, which is, yes, today we'll start the first chapter of civics, which is the role of the constitution and the need for laws. Okay? Before starting this chapter in deep, it is very important to understand what we will learn throughout the chapter. As per the name, the role of the constitution and need for the laws. Firstly, it is important to understand what is constitution, what is the meaning of law, and why they are required, why they are needed in a country. Yes, Nirbhay, what do you want to ask, beta? Nirbhay, you can speak up, beta, unmute yourself. हाँ, बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. No, आपने question answers करवा दी.
Yes.
Okay.
You want to ask about the question answers of previous chapter in geography? I will send my mail ID and you can collect it from there also. Yes, Chandni Soni.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, your camera is not clear.
Camera is not clear. Now is it clear? Check it. Yes. Is it clear now? Yes, Rashmi. बोलो बेटा फटाफट अपनी क्वेरीज बोलो उसके बाद हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे चैप्टर.
मैं भी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर मार्क नहीं करे क्योंकि नेटवर्क कनेक्शन की वजह से वो हो गई थी.
Fine, no problem. The chapter we had done with the question answers in the geography, I will provide the same work on my mail ID and I will send my mail ID in the chat box. You can go and collect. You can ask me for there to give you access, or I will provide the PDF of the previously done work. ठीक है, no problem is there. You can collect it from there. जिन students का रह गया है, they can collect it from there. So just don't worry about that. Yes, Bhumi, you are also asking. Pucho.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhumi, speak up, beta.
ma'am, I am new in the class.
You are the new one. You are taking my
ma'am?
class very first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta. So you were not in the first class and you are not aware about what we did in the geography.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem, beta. We had done with the first chapter of geography and homework. You can collect from my mail ID. I am going to write it, my mail ID in the chat box. You all can write in your copies. Later on, you can send me a mail or a request to send you the homework of first chapter. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. We don't have so much time to take individual students' query. I will solve your problems in the end of the class. ठीक है, लास्ट 5 minutes और 10 minutes we'll discuss. अभी के लिए चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं. So today we are going to start the chapter first of civics, where we are discuss the role of the constitution and need for the laws. So we had a lot about our constitution, the preamble, the laws. Are you aware what is the actual meaning of the constitution? Do raise your hands. Who know or who can tell me? Yes. Yes, Chitra. What do you understand with constitution?
Ma'am, the constitution is a written law of a country. It is a body of principles according to which a state or organization can be governed.
Very good. The constitution is a written document. What it consists? It consists the rules, the laws, and the principle that should be followed by the citizen of that nation. ठीक है? And through which a country is governed. Constitution क्या है? एक written document है जिसमें वो सारे rules and regulation लिखे गए हैं जिस पर कंट्री को गवर्न किया जा रहा है. गवर्न करने का मतलब क्या है? The rule of the countries is running on that concept. क्या प्रिंसिपल्स है, क्या रूल्स है, क्या गाइडलाइंस है, that should be followed by each and everyone in the country. That it calls the constitution. Can you please tell me why we required laws? क्यों जरूरत है? अगर लॉज नहीं होंगे तो क्या हम सरवाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे? लॉज नहीं होंगे तो क्या कंट्री का रूल नहीं चल पाएगा? क्या रीजन है? लॉ बनाना क्यों जरूरी है? Why it is important? Yes, मुकुल.
मैम अगर लॉज नहीं बनेंगे तो मैम जैसे कि मैम ट्रैफिक का लॉ है तो मैम लोग ट्रैफिक रूल्स तोड़ देंगे जिससे मैम एक्सीडेंट वगैरह हो सकते हैं.
Very good. Anyone else? Yes, Bhumi. Why you are now lower down your hand? Raise up your hand. Ah, yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, to maintain the proper discipline of the country.
Very good. Rules are important. Laws are important because there is a need to maintain proper rules in a country. Like अगर मैं बात करूं इंडिया की, इंडिया क्या है? It is a nation with diversity. Diversity in what? In everything, in religion, in language. Here in India, we people belongs to different religion. We speak different languages, right? So at a place where people are residing with all these diversities, उनके बीच में controversies create होना, उनके बीच में किसी तरीके के issues create होना एक बहुत ही natural सी बात. For an example, अगर हम बात करें religion की, कि एक पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन को बिलोंग करने वाले लोग मेजॉरिटी में है किसी कंट्री में और उन्हीं की डिमांड्स को प्रायोरिटी देती है गवर्नमेंट, और जो लोग माइनॉरिटी में है यानी कि द नंबर ऑफ पीपल बिलोंग्स टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन इज वेरी लिमिटेड. ठीक है, ऐसे में दोनों ही रिलीजन के लोगों के बीच में क्या होंगे? फाइट्स अराइज होंगे. अगर फाइट होंगे तो कंट्री में बैलेंस की सिचुएशन नहीं होगी, डिसिप्लिन नहीं होगा, क्राइम्स बढ़ जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो ऐसा ना हो टू मेकिंग इट श्योर गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है? इन रूल्स को फ्रेम, यानी कि हमारे जो ऑर्गन्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट हैं वो क्या करते हैं? इन रूल्स को, इन लॉज को फ्रेम करते हैं और एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. एंड दिस इज व्हाई the लॉज आर इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर लॉज नहीं होंगे तो ये जो अभी प्रॉब्लम्स हमने डिस्कस की हैं वो अराइज होंगी. ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर? Yes, speak up. Is that clear up to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So, now, what is constitution? It can be said a written document in which the rules, principle, and laws has been defined to govern the nation is called constitution. Whereas, why it is required to maintain the law and order in a country, it is required. Okay, so take out your copies, everyone. You will write along with me and keep turn on your cameras, everyone. I'm writing it on the board at the same time and speaking also. So please do write in your copies, everyone. Firstly, हम define लिख रहे हैं constitution. What is constitution? Yes, Chitra. Speak up, बेटा.
मैम हमें ये कॉमन कॉपी में लिखना है या फिर सिविक्स की?
All these things you have to write in the civics copy. ठीक है, civics copy में आप chapter number, chapter name और उसके नीचे लिखना start कर दो. You all have to write these definition in your civics copy. A constitution is a set of laws, principles. A constitution is a set of laws and principles according to which a country is governed. Fine. I am repeating the definition. A constitution is a set of laws and principles. A constitution is a set of laws and principles according to which a country is governed. Yes, Sujal. Speak up, beta. What do you want to ask?
मैम आपने ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की डेफिनेशन लिखवाई है ये
Yes,
क्लास
बेटा.
में लिखनी है ना?
No, you all have to write these definition in your civics copy. Civics के लिए blue copy बनाई है ना बेटा, उसी copy में लिखना.
ओके
Civics
मैम.
की है copy. Done, everyone? We are moving ahead. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अलावा एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म हम सबने सुना है, प्रीएम्बल. व्हाट इज प्रीएम्बल? यस हिमांशु, यू वांट टू टेल?
मैम ये वर्क है ना डब्ल्यू कॉपी में करना है.
बेटा सिविक्स की फेयर कॉपी में करना है, क्लास वर्क में नहीं करना है.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Palak. You want to tell what is preamble?
the word?
Yes, Yes beta, preamble. Have you heard about it now? Don't know preamble? Really don't know? Okay. So let me tell you. Preamble is an introduction about what? An introduction of constitution. ठीक है? That calls preamble. Preamble क्या होता है? Preamble एक introduction है हमारे constitution का कि in our constitution what we are claiming, हमारे constitution में क्या कुछ लिखा गया है, क्या कुछ ये consider करता है, उसके बारे में एक short introduction देता है preamble. ठीक है? So do write the definition of preamble now. Yes, I'm rubbing it. Next definition लिखिए preamble. What is preamble? क्या है preamble? Introduction of constitution. तो लिखो a preamble is like a preamble is like an introduction in which basic aims and objectives of the constitution are mentioned. ठीक है? So I am repeating it again. अगर किसी को clearly visible नहीं है तो I am repeating. You can write it in your copies. A preamble is like an introduction in which basic aims and objectives of the constitution are mentioned. Yes, very good, Palak. You have written in your copy. Everyone, you can show me on screen that you are writing. Turn on your video. Place it on your copies. Show me where you are writing. Good. Very good, Chitra, Mukund. Where you are writing, Nirbhay? Show me it on screen. Good, Bhumika. Very well done, beta. Very well done. Pari, also you have written. Okay, fine. So, preamble क्या है? आपके constitution का एक introduction है. Okay? चलिए. Now the next term is need of laws. Need of law से ही एक related term है आपका rule of law. Rule of law से क्या समझते हैं? In a democratic nation, country is governed on the basis of rule of law. किसी भी democratic country में जो government rule करती है वो किस basis पर करती है? Basically हम इंडिया के रेफरेंस में बात कर रहे हैं. So in India, somewhere in our according to our constitution, our government is working on this concept rule of law. क्या समझते हो rule of law से? Yes, Vishu. You can unmute yourself, beta, if you want to ask. Or you want to give the answer? Yes.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला नहीं लिख पाया मैम.
Constitution का definition आप नहीं लिख पाए हैं.
यस मैम.
Why so? I have repeated 2-3 times and I have written on the board as well.
मैम आपकी मैम वीडियो फ्रीज हो गई थी मैम बाद में.
Video freeze हो गई थी. So should I repeat? बोलूं एक बार और?
यस मैम.
चलिए लिखिए बेटा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. बाकी सब बेटा इसे स्किप करें. अगर आपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का डेफिनेशन यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन तो नो नीड टू बी रीराइट. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट हु हैड मिस्ड इट. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का डिफाइन एक बार रिपीट कर रही हूं मैं, लिख लीजिए. अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज अ सेट ऑफ rules, laws and principle. A constitution is a set of rules, laws and principle according to which a country is governed. ठीक है? According to which a country is governed. The next thing is second definition आपकी preamble की है, which is here on the board. You can see it. You can write it in your copies. Next, what I'm asking here, what do you understand with rule of law? क्योंकि a country like India, which is a democratic nation, it claims that कि government is working on the concept of rule of law. What do you understand with rule of law? Yes, Sujal. Speak up.
मैम रूल्स और लॉज के बाद क्या है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की डेफिनेशन में?
Rules, laws and principles according to which a country is governed.
Constitution is a set of rules, laws and
Principles according to which a country is governed.
okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Okay. Nobody knows what is rule of law. किसी को नहीं पता है. That's so strange, beta. At least make a try. You should. Okay, fine. Let me tell you. देखो, third thing about which we are talking here, what is rule of law? Rule of law is it means that in a country nobody is above than the law. मतलब पूरी कंट्री में अगर हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी और इम्पोर्टेंस अगर किसी चीज को दी गई है तो दैट इज लॉ. Nobody is beyond or above than the law. कुछ भी चीज लॉ से ऊपर नहीं है. ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है? A person who is affluent or rich and a person who is poor, both are similar in the eye of the law. कानून के लिए कोई भी, चाहे वो एक पावरफुल लीडर, पॉलिटिशियन या एक बिजनेस पर्सन क्यों ना हो, और दूसरे साइड पर अगर एक बेगर है, एक पुअर पर्सन है, दोनों को ही लॉ क्या करता है? सेम कंसिडर करता है. सो इन इंडिया गवर्नमेंट वर्क्स ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट which is written in our constitution, that country is a democratic nation where nobody is above than the law, and where we state that nobody is above than the law, that was the rule of law. इसका शासन चलता है लॉ का, यानी कि लॉ के बेसिस पर ही सारे काम किए जाते हैं, उससे ऊपर किसी को प्रेफरेंस नहीं दी गई है. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So write the definition of rule of law. I'm going to rub it here. Yes, Palak. पूछो बेटा.
मैम एक बार आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की डेफिनेशन डिक्टेट कर दो, क्योंकि मेरी हाफ पे रह गई थी.
बेटा I have dictated so many time. Okay, fine, I'm dictating it again. एक बार और करूंगी. सब जितने भी students हैं जिन्होंने नहीं सुना, कुछ skip हो गया है, please listen it very carefully. Constitution का आपका जो define है, I'm repeating it. A constitution is a set of rules, laws, and principles according to which a country is governed. Fine? Yes, Garvit. Do ask what is your query, Garvit? पूछिए बेटा. Do unmute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Third definition is rule of law. लिखिए. Rule of law. Because it means that nobody मतलब कोई भी, उसमें एक इंडिविजुअल भी हो सकता है, कम्युनिटी हो सकती है, ग्रुप हो सकता है, बट nobody is above than the law. So nobody ब्रैकेट में आप लिखेंगे nobody के बाद an individual a community or a group, an individual, a community or a group, ब्रैकेट क्लोज करेंगे और आगे लिखेंगे is above than the law, is above than the law. Okay, rule of law क्या कहता है? It means that nobody, an individual, a community or a group, ब्रैकेट क्लोज करेंगे, is above than the law, is above than the law. That means in a country which is claiming, or where we are claiming as per our constitution that we are a democratic nation where nobody is above than the law, all are equal in the eye of law. इसको दूसरी तरीके से कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि the constitution of a nation which is working on the concept of rule of law, it dictates or it tells us that all are equal in the eye of law, whether a person is rich or affluent or it is poor. ठीक है, ये भी लिख सकते हैं आप. Once again I am repeating the definition, the rule of law. किसी का अगर skip हो गया है तो just note it down. It means that nobody के बाद में ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट करेंगे आप, an individual, a community or a group, bracket close, is above than the law. Everyone has written? Done, beta? Fine. The next term. We will write only some important terms today. ठीक है? In detail we'll discuss tomorrow. Next class में हम चैप्टर को थोड़ा डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी जो important terms है आपको लिख लीजिए. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट आपका आ जाता है फेडरलिज्म. देयर आर सम की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कि हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो कैसा है, वो क्लेम करता है द नेशन इज बिलोंग्स टू फेडरलिज्म, सेक्युलरिज्म, सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर. ये सारी चीजें, ये की फीचर्स आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के हैं. So before going through the chapter, let's discuss these important terms और कल थोड़ा डिटेल में हम चैप्टर को डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए. रूल ऑफ लॉ के बाद में नेक्स्ट टर्म आता है आपका फेडरलिज्म. We also states that our country is a federal nation or where we are practicing the federalism. What do you understand with federalism? Anyone out of you? फेडरलिज्म का मतलब समझते हैं बेटा? यस परी? डू अनम्यूट. हाँ, यस स्पीक अप.
refers to the existence of more than one level of government in the country.
Very well done. Federalism states that in a country there are more than one level of government. So in India, we are having different level of government in different scale, like union government, state government, block or division, panchayati raj institution or district level. मतलब so many different level of government. But as per your syllabus, we will talk about only the basic two: the central government or union government and state government. ठीक है? So I'm going to clear it. I hope all you have written it. Yes, Hardik. Do you want to ask something, Hardik Soni? Hardik, कुछ पूछना है बेटा? ओके, चलिए. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन लिखिए फेडरलिज्म. फेडरलिज्म डेफिनेशन लिखिए. दिस refers to different level. This refers to different levels of government in a country such as union government, in center, and state government in states. Okay, so federalism is about, it refers to the different level of government in a country, such as union government in center and state government in states. Should I repeat? Do write it fast in your copies. and let me know that you have written by raising your hands. We'll move ahead. Yes, okay, fine. Next, we'll talk about secularism. ठीक है, फेडरलिज्म के बाद में and another important feature of our constitution is secularism. What it means, what is the meaning of secular, to be secular, what a country claims. ये define बेटा मैं अभी remove नहीं कर रही हूँ, you can write it down, note it down, ठीक है? And we are talking here about the secularism. Okay, fine बेटा, what everyone has written. Very good. हार्दिक एंड चांदनी कुछ पूछना है बेटा, या यू आर शोइंग दैट यू हैड रिटन? अगर लिख लिया है तो यू कैन जस्ट लोअर डाउन योर हैंड्स. Fine. We'll talk about now secularism. Anyone out of you secularism? Very good. Okay, Chandni Soni, you will tell us what do you understand with secularism? Do unmute yourselves, Chandni. Chandni, speak up, beta. I hope इसका आंसर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को आता होगा. सेक्युलरिज्म, डोंट नो. हार्दिक, that's so strange. Why you are not speaking?
हम पूछ रहे थे कि लास्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा है मैम, वो क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा.
लास्ट लाइन में लिखा है बेटा and state government in states. And state government in states.
Okay, thanks ma'am.
Okay, Bhumika, Bhumi, tell us what do you understand with secularism?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, it means that state give priority to every religion.
It keeps all the religions equal or gives equality to each and every religion. That what you want to say?
मैम एक बार आप रिपीट कर दोगी ये?
What I have written on the board?